So this is the message for PSM Makassar supporters. Selamat malam. First, fantastic stadium, fantastic field, fantastic environment. Congratulations for the supporters of Persija. They make a fantastic environment. And this is the football. I'm just upset because I want to see also supporters from away team in this situation of PSM Makassar here, because football, it's to enjoy the sport, to enjoy. It's not to make conflicts. I wish that what's happened last season never come back to Indonesia. So we hope that in the future we must respect the decisions, but we hope that in the future home team and away team can have supporters on the stadium. About the match, in my opinion, PSM Makassar start better than Persija team. We have more opportunities. We score a goal. 2-3 minutes. The first ones, there is an offensive corner. Our player number 4 is the defender pull the jersey of Yuran Fernandes. Must be penalty in Indonesia. In the other places are penalty. Here, I don't know what's happened. And also, I must say one thing. Was a team, the principal referee must learn that he controls the fair play. If we have a player down, the player can be died there. You don't know, he's not a doctor. And if you remember, we have one player almost 1 minute, and team was it not make nothing. This cannot happen. The player can die there because Wazi team is not doctor. I'm also not doctor, and they must stop the match. They not stop the match. Persija scored the goal in the side that my defender was down. So try to be better on these decisions. I think Persija have Bagus, local player, in my opinion. Many players with big potential, young players. I think they are building Bagus team. And I got to repeat what I say on the press conference before the match. Someone asked me about foreign players. Hey, the foreign players, sometimes the quality is less than the local players. And if you want to develop Indonesia football, if you see that there are potential on local player, you must bet on local player. So, for me, I'm not very happy because we not get 3 points, and we almost get 3 points if European referee, they not score this goal. Maybe they score another goal, but this goal, for sure, was it stop the match, because the fair play is this. The was it must stop the match. They are not doctors. They are not doctors. How can he see if the player is okay or not? So the was it must stop the match, and after can give pull minutes extra time, do a pull minutes extra time. I don't care. But in this moment of the game, he must stop the match. It's the responsibility of the Wazi. I just want to say one thing. And this message is for PSM Makassar supporters. Last season, we make a miracle and we won Liga Satu, make Bagus final ASEAN on AFC Cup, go to quarter-final, Piala President. But this is history. The other teams also play. The other teams, unfortunately, compared with PSM Makassar, have better budget, and the other things you all already know, better things. So, please, don't put too much pressure on the players. Our target here, it's game by game. In this moment, last season, we lose here empat 2. And my target, it's not to be champion. It's to try on next match that I feel that the team is better and try to win next match. And this is my target. Because comparing the budget that other players, that other clubs can sign other players, it's amazing. I give 2 examples. We lose 2 players that we sign on trial. We lose these 2 players. So if we cannot keep with the players that we want, we must understand that the team always building. So this is the message for PSM Makassar supporters. For Persija supporters, what you do today on the stadium was fantastic. So keep going, because this for sure, next matches you're gonna have more people here, because you make a party outside of the field, and this is also football. Now I finish.
To be honest, I'm disappointed today's match because I think we can win. But actually, I'm so proud of our team, because as you know, we have good mentality, and we work hard 90 minutes. I think that's very important for us. And about my score, I'm so grateful to Yance, because he make me good assist. And anyway, we still have 33 games more. So I will try to go to recovery and try to go to prepare for next match. Yeah, that is. Thank you so much.
Saat Matsumura berkeliling dari sisi lapangan masing-masing menuju bench pemain, apa yang kamu sampaikan ke Matsumura? Apakah selepas rindu dengan pemain Jepang atau seperti apa yang tadi kamu sampaikan?
Sorry, I don't want to say that because we talk about today's match. So we won't win today's match. Yeah. So I just focus next match. I don't want to talk about him.
Memang tadi mungkin sebenarnya juga pemain PSM juga banyak yang berjatuhan. Kalau tahu, memang laga tadi berjalan cukup keras atau memang sebuah taktik untuk mengulur waktu setelah menang 1-0. Terima kasih.
Intensity of the game. You know that our style is to give bola to opponent team. We are winning. We not need to have bola. So it's not to be. It's clever, a clever question, because see, when we run with bola, it's the others that have to run without bola and run more. Be tired, not just physical but also mentality. So what happened was this: we scored early, so we not need to go too much risks too offensive. So we make our game. We give bola to Persija and wait for a trigger to make offensive transitions, and this is normal. If we are running behind the bola, it's normal that our physical condition and our mentality condition gonna be down.
Setelah Anda protes tentang kepemimpinan wasit, selanjutnya apakah Anda akan melakukan protes ke komisi wasit, atau hal ini akan menjadi pembelajaran aja untuk masa depan dan memimpin menjadi lebih baik? Terima kasih.
Good question. I don't have the answer. If you want to develop the football, I think it's just analyze the video, but not the video that pass on Indonesia. Because sometimes we see things, because we record also the matches, and after on the video, the application that we see there, they not pass, they cut and put another things. So if you see the reality that happened on the match, you see many things, but come on, I don't want to speak about this. I am coach. I supposed to not speak about the referees. Today I just speak on 2 things. Because if I go to analyze the referee, I go to speak too much time. And I don't want to speak too much time about was it. I want to speak about football. But unfortunately, the was it sometimes make the difference. If was a European was it, for sure, make a fair play and stop the match in this situation. So, take your conclusion.
Terakhir sudah Postmatch Presscon sesi biasa. Terima kasih teman-teman. Thank you Kenzo, thank you Gus. Terima kasih Bang.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.